Would you go out and go buy a dozen roses and then put them in a crystal vase on the island at your girlfriend's house with rose petals sprinkled from the door to the island and baby's breath and maybe some music and some candles and a handwritten note that says, I saw these, I thought of you, I want you to know how much I love you. Thank you for allowing me to be part of your life. Or do you buy the flowers last week, pay the $49.95 for the flowers, enjoy them in your car for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and just before they're dead, walk up to your girl and go, hey, I paid $49 for these and I want to get my money back. Here you are. And I said, Grandma, I'd never get laid that way if I did that. She goes, you're damn right. And she goes, so why is it that people do that in business? Why do people do that in real estate? I paid this amount for this asset. I sucked the enjoyment and every bit of profit, every bit of quality, every bit of everything. I put nothing else into it. And I expect you to pay me back because I'm going to give you a shit asset. You see the difference? As an owner, your job is to suck every bit of profit and optimize that for you. As a fiducial, giving a gift to somebody else, your job is to make it better to the person you're giving it to.